everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing of the Sakura Swirl Be Right Back. And I'm so excited! Okay, I don't even know how to open this, but I'll start here. You guys can see I bought this, not off the Jujube site, but I got this from another mama. I got my Sakura Swirl Be Supplied from the Jujube site. But after I thought about it sometime, I wanted something else in that print. So I decided to go with the Be Right Back, and I'm so happy I found a mom who had one for sale that wasn't ridiculously priced. Here it is. I'm glad she wrapped it because my box was, it had a hole in the corner. I just want to get into it. Here she is, double wrapped, really nice. Let me in. Yay. Oh, I'm so happy. And she included a rose gold keychain, and she told me it would be up here, I think. There it is. Oh my gosh. Isn't that pretty? How did she even do that? I mean, oh God, I'm just butchering it, but look how pretty. Oh gosh. You guys, I think I'm more excited about this keychain than my bag because it's my first star. I feel so special. Oh, yay. Oh, snap. Oh, she's so sweet. Thank you so much. If you happen to come across this video, thank you so much. I love this print so much, but I totally wish the lining was pink, like the rose-colored glass. I wish they all were pink. That would have been so fun. Pretty. This is my second Be Right Back. The first one I ever got was the Admiral print. Oh, this is so exciting. I purchased this one without a changing pad, which is fine because I tend to like to use my own. That's where it would have been. Oh, I'm so happy she's here. Oh, I'm so happy she's here. Seriously though, you guys? Yeah. Okay. So you guys, I did an unboxing of the Sakura Swirl Be Supplied, and I did a review and packing video on that one, and it just wasn't love for me. So I did find her another home. I'm really happy for the mama who's gonna get her. I'm sure this one is gonna work out better for me. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Bye-bye.